Okay, so first let's describe the issue. As you can see here, we have the default contact us form found in the down theme. The problem with this form is that we can't easily adjust or add new form fields to this contact form, at least not without difficult code changes. So for this reason, we have developed a new snippet called KS Contact Form Builder that is available for the down theme, but it can work also on any other Shopify theme. Installing our Shopify snippets is very easy. That is because you don't have to edit any theme files. Let's see now how we can install the KS Contact Form Builder on your Shopify store. First, after you have downloaded it, unzip the content of the file, and then when you open it, you will notice that it has two files. One marked with down and the other marked as general. The one marked with down should be used if you are using the official down theme from Shopify, and for any other theme you should use the file marked as general. Let's open now the file marked for down, and as you can see, it is just one big file that has everything within it. All you have to do is copy everything here on this file, and then from your Shopify admin, go to themes, then edit code, and from the sections create a new one. For this case, it would be KS Contact Form Builder.liquid. Then all you have to do is paste the content of the file that you have just copied before. And that's all you have to do to install this snippet. Let's see now how we can add the KS Contact Form Builder on our Shopify store. Hit the Customize button, and then normally we should go on the Contact Us page. But of course, any other page can work. Add the section KS Contact Form Builder. Let's first see how we can adjust the section settings. Okay, we have the title size. We can choose to have a description or not. Change the color scheme. Okay. The important thing to note is that each of these input fields here is added as a block. So the whole snippet is in fact a section, and each of these input field is a block. In this way, it is very easy to add new inputs on this form, and also adjust the order of the actual inputs. Okay, let's see how we can improve this contact form. Okay, first we have the email field. We have an input field which we have labeled as your name. For example, we can have a new one and call it your last name. We have a required checkbox here, meaning that if it is checked, the user can't send the form unless he complete this field. Okay. Also, we have a phone field right here. We have a message. We can choose to have more height to it. Okay. And also we have the send button. We can choose to have in full width or not. So beside the input field that we have seen, we can choose to have a text field in case you want to have some additional text to the form, description or not. And we have a separator field, which it is very handy in case you have a long form and you want to separate the logic of the fields. For example, we can add it here, change a bit the settings. Okay, we have a date field in case you want to grab the user date for some reason. Okay, also we have 3 additional selectable. We have a select field, a checkboxes, and radio. Let's add quickly all of them and see how we can configure. Okay, let's move the button on the end. Okay. First, the select field. For example, we have the label. We can choose to have how did you found us. Okay, and so each of these options here should be comma separated. So, for example, we can have you found us on Google or social media or other. And as you can see, it is now displaying correctly here. The same logic applies to the checkboxes, the radius. Also, the difference for the radio and the checkboxes is that the user can choose to have to select multiple options on the checkboxes, and of course one option at a time for the radio inputs. Okay, as you can see, it is very easy to build robust forms, as easy as without touching a single line of code with our snippets. Thanks for watching.